Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create double exposure effect in video using Capcut PC for a cool movie effect. So onto this tutorial, we're gonna add two clips in here and we'll try to add the double exposure effect. So for us to be able to do so, let's import a video here. Click onto this icon so that we could go ahead and add in the videos that we'll wanna use. So let's add these two videos in here. Click on to open, and this should add the tracks here onto our import. So you could actually drag and drop the videos in here to add them easily, and to add them onto our timeline, we could drag and drop it just like that. So we're going to use this as our main video, and let's add this onto the upper part of it. So it should look something like this. And then right after, to go ahead and blend this, let's click onto this first video that we have in here. Let's mute this one first. So let's click onto the first video, here onto the upper part, and here under the right side of it, there should be a blend option. So we're going to go ahead and try to choose in here the hard light for that. So as you can see, it should look something like this. So it has blended, but since we want to do this cool exposure effects, we could do more like a transition for this. So let's start it around here. So let's lower the opacity first. And there are keyframes in here that we could use so that we could animate this or add in a more like transition. So under here, we're going to go ahead and try to start adding the keyframe, and then we'll have the opacity in here at around 100. So it should look something like this. So we're going to continue doing that, and then we're going to split this video first. Let's add this one here onto the upper part. Just like that, start here onto the first part of the clip. And then here, let's try to change the blend in here to normal. So it should look something like this, and let's have the opacity lowered down first. And then here, let's try to add a keyframe in here, and let's have it back onto 100. So since we have third grids in here, onto the third grid, let's make sure that the first part of the video in here, the opacity is set to 0. And then onto the next frame, we have it back onto 100. And the blend mode for that is normal. So right after, once we do a quick preview, this is what it should look like. So as you can see, it is more like a seamless transition of the exposure effect. So this is how it looks like. And that is just basically it on how to do that. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.